Welcome back to Design Dialogue. We're really happy you're here with us for another thoughtful conversation about design, trends, and creativity. And in today's episode, we're talking about something exciting, the designers of the future and the skills that will truly matter moving forward. I realized something, Karis. The future designer won't just know tools. Tools will always change, and new ones keep appearing every year. They'll know people, systems, emotions, because design isn't just about software, it's about understanding how humans interact with the world. AI will definitely get faster. Tools will keep getting smarter and more efficient. But seriously, empathy, curiosity, and clarity, that's the real advantage. Those are the things technology can't easily replace. So if you're building your career right now, this is actually a really exciting time to grow as a designer. Exactly. And to add to what KP said, learn the tools, of course, but build the mindset. Stay curious, ask questions, and always think about the people you're designing for.
Yes.
So design the future, don't chase it. And that's it for today's episode, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with us. We hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to the Design Dialogue YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Bye, designers.